Hi, this is Rude again. I promised to get a video out on the install of the fantastic RoadLoft. Well, let's turn around the camera and show what I got. This is the center box. This is explaining a little better on what it looks like. So this is basically the backbone of the whole RoadLoft. The drawers go in here, this side and this side. The fridge goes in the middle with some padding. These two here and these two here are, well, ultimately important in the, well, kind of like the way this RoadLoft is anchored inside the van. These plastic panels are pretty flexible, so that means you can put these attachments, well, quite far in, and I will I will show what it looks like when this is all attached with the drawers and all. So I'll get back with you in a bit. Well, here we are again. So I was able to install the fridge. Oops, it's right here. Um, these drawers are all back in. So this one has the fast or more powerful stove. This one has the slow poke in here somewhere. Fridge here, I haven't hooked it up yet. And then here, well, here is the solar panel for the jackery, chairs and a mat. I need to look for our little table, and that is the current situation. This is the front box. So these are the drawers that will hold the shoes and the clothing, and here is the library box. And then I'll start putting this portion in here, and then these ones that go in the middle. And of course these are the lids for the two containers. So I'll put them there on the shelf on top of the third row that I put there. So that is for now. So here we are again. As we may recall, these center boxes and these rear drawers were inserted to complete the rear half of the RoadLoft. This is what's left. So this tabletop, and I did a little fix on this because one of these flaps came out, so I had to put them back together. Some screws came off, so did a little hack, and you can see it here. So the front drawers are here. So this is where our clothing typically goes, and our shoes, and this forsaken water tank that let go of all the water earlier. So that is the main situation for now. These are the window blinds. I will also make a little video on how these exactly work. I already explained how much of an improvement they are compared to all the small blinds that come with the RoadLoft. Although, they're good and lightweight, so that means they take less space, but, for really making it dark inside these WeatherTech. Same for this windscreen thing. They're, well, really high quality, and they'll last because we've been using them day in, day out, and they're still together, so they're not falling apart. So what I'm going to do is put these mattresses on and then show you the result of that, flat surface. So get back to you in a sec. So this is the end result. So this mattress links to this mattress, just making sure, because all these ends have Velcro, so just making sure that the smooth surface adds to the rough surface, or actually it's the other way around. The mattress in the rear doesn't have any Velcro in the back, and then also between these two there is smooth here and rough here, so they just go together and they stay together. So that's basically all there is to it. I'm going to put the bed back together in due time, and then I'll show you a picture of the overall result. So yeah, my apologies for the choppiness and the fact that this was supposed to be done, well, more than a week ago. But anyway, here it is. I hope you enjoy it.